Good day, my friend. On today's video, we will do the service of the automatic gearbox. You are right now on the Mercedes W126 channel. I'm Hervé and I will show it to you. What we will need for this job, pretty straightforward. We'll need approximately 6 liters of ATF, automatic transmission fluid. You can get this at your dealership, or you can buy as well the Dextron 4 or Dextron 5. Okay. We will need a new gearbox filter, and we will need a new gasket. Okay. As usual, I will place the part number on the video, so like that, if you need to order it, you will have it. No worries if your W126 is diesel, petrol, if it's an AC, SEL, if it's a 280, if it's a 560, it should be the same. It's pretty standard, okay? So what I will do now, I will bring the car to temperature and I will place it on ramps. The engine is now hot, that's great. It's now on ramps, so we will need something similar to collect the oil, okay? And I will show you under what we will need to open. We need to open two parts of the engine, of the gearbox, I would say, in order to drain it. We are under the car, and going towards the back, we can see the oil pan of the gearbox, okay? So I will place an arrow to see what you have to open in order to drain the oil. But bear in mind, that's not the only area, okay? You see that bar that's here, okay? We'll have to remove it. We've got 3 bolts to remove here, 3 on the other side, it's off. And then I will show you under what we've got to open as well to drain. This is it, I've removed it, removed the bar. It's number 17 socket to remove it. And this is what I'm talking about right here, inside here. Can you see the bolt? I hope you can see it, because when I'm filming it's a bit difficult. But here you got the same basically as this one here, okay? So how do we get it to that position? Well, you will place your car on neutral, and here in the front, on the central pulley, you will place inside a socket of 27, and slowly you will turn the engine until this plug goes to position, okay? So from now we can open one, then open the other one and remove all the oil. The oil is draining and it's got a reddish color, which is good, because I've seen some that came out actually black, so it's nice, okay? So I'm starting with this one and then I'll do the second one later. I've now removed the plugs, and obviously we use the Allen for this. So now you may not be able to put it that way because you won't have the space, so you may have to put it like that, okay? And here we've got very little space to turn it. So what I do, I use another spanner, I place it inside and that makes it longer and I can open it, okay? So that's great. The two have now been removed. I'm waiting for it to drain and then we'll remove the pan. The oil I've now drained and we are ready to remove the oil pan. For this we're gonna use a socket of 13 and we're gonna remove the 6 bolts that are around in order to drop it. But be careful, because there's always gonna be some oil that's left inside. So if you're not careful, you're gonna take a shower, okay? So I would advise you to place back the plug on it, just to make sure it's okay, and once you take it off, then you can empty it, okay? This is the oil pan, and as you can see, still quite a bit of oil is left inside, so that's why I told you, place back the plug, not to take a shower, okay? So we can see that that rubber is quite flexible. That's good, because I've seen some that are very hard, so it's okay. What you need to have a look as well, it's inside the pan. Have a look if there's some shaving, metal shaving, okay, because that's a bad sign, that's a very bad sign, okay, if you have. I can see mine is okay, just a little bit of stuff here, see it's dirt, no worries, so it's not a problem, okay. So now I will empty this and then I will clean all this spotless with some gas oil. Clean it absolutely and make it nice and neat, so like that we can change the filter after. This is now clean, I'm happy with that. So we're gonna remove the filter now. So if you have a look, 1, 2, 3, you will have 3 screws, okay? So we remove it with the star screwdriver, we replace it, replace the new one, done, tighten, that's it. Just make sure that those rings are not left on a gearbox, okay? If they are, remove them because they are fitted here, okay? And then, because it's coming a bit late, what I will do, that rubber, I will simply place it on it and just tighten by hand the oil pan, and just to make sure no dirt goes on it, because it's a bit late and I don't want to continue now, okay? Tomorrow will be another day and we'll tighten it properly and we'll continue with the rest. Good day, let's now finish all this. So now the oil pan, we're gonna tighten all the bolts, but we're gonna use a torque wrench. Very, very important. Don't do it by hand like that thinking it's okay, because you're gonna have leaks, you're gonna have a problem, and highly likely you may have to change the gasket, okay? So don't do it. Use this. You will tighten it at 14 Newton meters, okay? So let's tighten this right now. Now that the oil pan is fitted, let's place back the plug for the oil on both sides. Tighten it well. Now that everything has been tightened, we of course don't forget to place back this, okay? And from under the car will be done. Now comes the time to fill the oil in the gearbox at the correct level, and then we'll be done, okay? But before we continue, I would like to remind you that if you want to help the channel, you can do so. On the description of the video, there's a link and you can support whatever you want. I use that money to buy new parts and make new video, which in turn help you guys, okay? So anyway, what we do now, here, right here, by the firewall, we got that red thing, so we just pull it, and here we've got the level, okay? So the oil level, if you look carefully, there's 2 little marks. The oil should be in between these, not lower, not higher, okay? So make sure you take your time and do it carefully, because if not, you will have to go under and remove some oil, okay, which you don't want, okay? So what we're gonna do for that, look, we're gonna take a funnel, okay? So they have various shape, just make sure it fits in, okay? Mine, I'm not sure if you can see it from there, but it's got some little things around it, so it's not smooth, okay? So basically, when I place this inside and I pour the oil, the air can come out, which is fantastic, so I can pour the oil much faster. If yours is smooth, when you place the oil can't come in and the air coming out at the same time, so it will take longer. So what you can do, you can take a paper clip and you fit it in between, and that will be okay, okay? Once you pour about 3-4 liters, we're gonna start the engine and warm it up, because the level of the oil can only be checked when the engine is hot. Okay, cold, nothing, okay? And as I say, just very carefully, take your time, because you don't want this to go above or under. The car is being warmed up, so I will personally go for coffee, take my time, and we'll come back a bit later and check the level, okay? And adjust as we should do it. As well, I should remind you that when you're under the car and you dismantle everything, have a look a bit everywhere. If you see a leak, if you see some parts that are damaged, etc. Now is the time to have a look at it, and in case buy it and change it, okay? Personally, I've seen some parts that need to be changed, so I've made a list. I will order it, and there will be new videos in the future, okay? So let's wait for this to warm up and we'll continue. That's it, my service is done, okay? So now, before you go for a drive for the car, place the stick on every gear, on R, N, D, S, L, etc. for about 30 seconds. Okay, you should feel a pull, either forward or backwards. Make sure that the oil goes in every gear, and you should be okay. I went for a test drive. I must say it's much smoother, much better. Okay, so if I can do it on the countryside, you can do it at home too. Okay, so I hope that you have liked the video. Subscribe to the channel if it's not done so, and we'll see each other in the next one soon. Take care.